Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for Instagram users: how to like a post. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you haven't already, log into your account. The app's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your feed and discover new content. Next, find the post you want to like. You can scroll through your feed or visit a specific profile by tapping on their username. Look for images or videos that catch your eye. These could be from friends, influencers, or brands you follow. Instagram is all about visual storytelling, so take a moment to appreciate the creativity behind each post. Once you've found the post you want to engage with, it's time to show some love. Simply click on the heart icon located below the post. This heart symbolizes your appreciation and will turn red once you've liked the post. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can double-click on the post itself. This action will also register your like instantly. Both methods are equally effective, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Remember, liking a post not only supports the creator, but also enhances your experience on Instagram by helping tailor your feed to show more of what you enjoy. If you ever change your mind about a like, you can easily undo it by clicking the heart icon again or double-tapping the post once more. In conclusion, liking posts on Instagram is a straightforward way to interact with content that resonates with you. By following these simple steps, opening the app, finding the post, and clicking the heart icon or double-tapping, you'll be engaging with your favorite content in no time. So go ahead and spread some positivity on Instagram today.